Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, dual exhaust, tow hitch, backup camera, the nice Bighorn logo, a bed liner with this vehicle as well, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards. We got trailer tow mirrors that you can lift up, heated door mirrors, turn light indicated as well. And moving to the front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ram grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior, even get some storage cubbies underneath, pretty handy. Cup holders, rear vents, storage, 115 volt with some outlets, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space, and we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 27,329 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with your cruise control, your gears, phone, voice, toggle-free screen, modes, and volumes behind the steering wheel. And looking at our settings here, we do get fuel economy, trip info, trailer tow info, audio, messages, screen setup, speedometer, vehicle info, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we get tons of storage. You get a place to put your phone, 115 volt outlet there. This does slide back and forth for more storage. You got cup holders, coin slot. We do get upper storage with a USB and lower storage, which is pretty nice. You even get a little light down there. 4-wheel drive and your gear select with engine start stop, trailer brake, trailer steering, tow and haul, front and rear park sensing, traction. You got storage above, below. On the dash with the 12 volt, we do get an Alpine sound system, SOS and assist with a nice rear window opener. Oh, that's your moonroof. My bad. Anyways, you do get your features for your twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And now that I'm correct, we get a nice powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy. Looking here, we get heated front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate. You got your tune, volume, mute, hazards. You can turn your main screen off. We do get a garage door transmitter. And looking at our main screen here, we do get our climate controls above and below, whatever you prefer. Got your home, where you can set up however you want. You have navigation, your Amazon Alexa. You can put audio here. But for your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, Bluetooth, aux, your climate controls again. Here's a better look at your navigation, pretty handy. Phone controls, vehicle info, mirror dimmer, and your backup camera, which is HD, so you have a clear photo of it. Any apps you may download will also show up right here as well. Alexa, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Assist, you got your media, comfort, because you can also hit up your seats here as well, navigation, your fave apps, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC76386A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.